Hello everyone. Today I am just wait a minute. So I just want to give some introduction of the Java part. So Java is a high-level language. Okay, so I am just explaining here. This is a Geeks for Geeks application. This is the Java high-level language, object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystem in 1995. Okay, it mostly used for building desktop application, web application, Android apps, and enterprise system. So some features of this, like this is the object oriented programming language, like oops concept is going on, robust and secure, rich API standard library, and open source library, and these, like you can see here. First is oops concept. Like Java support oops concept to create modular and reusable code. Platform independent means Java programs can run on any operating system with like at first we create any code in Java, so we can run that code anywhere. Okay, so that is the good platform independency. Robust and secure, this is the robust and secure, security purpose is strong, and multi threading and concurrency, and rich API standard libraries, built-in libraries, and open source library, maintainability and scalability. Means Java structure design allow easy maintenance and growth of application. So Java programming, this is the simplest program about the Java language, that is a public. Public is a modifier here, that is public means it is accessible everywhere. Class is the name of the class, and hello world is the name of the class. Okay, this is the keyword. So always remember that we always use capital letter name of the class starting from. Okay, there is a public static void main. So public is a modifier again, that is a publicly accessible. This is the static means one copy of the main class is accessible to all object. Void is here the return type, that is void, and main is a function here. String argument, that is always taking as a string as an argument. System.out.println, this is the things like in C++ and C, they are generally giving the printf and then printing the any string present inside the this type. But in Java, this is the system.out.println. So system.out.println, what is it exactly? Like system is a class, out is your object, and print is printing your value. Ln means giving the space after, like it will print your output, and after that when you again give any another output, so it will automatically go another line. So this is the print ln means. Okay, that's thing. So you can understand from their side, this is the single line comment. So this is the single line comment, you can see this is the single line comment. When double dash is here, way forward, so this is the single line comment. I already told about this. JVM, what is mean about JVM? JVM, Java compiler is Java C. Whenever we are writing any code and we want to run that code by using some command prompt, so that time we are using the Java C. Okay, I will show in further lecture how we are whenever we are using the notepad, and in notepad we are just making any code, and after that using that notepad we are running our program on the command prompt. So on the command prompt, how we run the Java code, so that is the main thing. JVM is a Java virtual machine, reads the .class file and interpret the bytecode. So this is the interpret and compiler, both type of version Java following. Interpret means line by line executing the code. That is Python is generally working, and compiler means entire code load at once like C and C++. Okay, so this is the like hello world. I created a program. After that I made Java compiler go inside it, and hello world is a class here. Then this is the Java virtual machine, that class dot file class it will take and it convert into the binary format and give the program which is shown on your monitor. Okay, there is a two type of comments inside it. For this type of comment, this we can say single comment. This type of comment we can say it multi-line comment. Okay, like this is the multi-line comment and ending the. Okay, curly braces, like these curly braces is the scope of the line, like system dot out dot println, and this is the scope inside it. So that's I'm using. If I'm only using single line, like this is the only single line inside it, this is system dot out single line inside main function, so we don't need the curly braces. If we are using multi line, like one more line present in between below it, so at that time we use curly braces, so it will give error. It will not use curly braces whenever lot of line present uh, inside the main function. If only single line present, so we can use, it's depend on us. Okay, I already said that this is the using for Android apps, Netflix, Amazon, LinkedIn, all these things, mobile app development, web app development. So Spring Boot we are using, desktop GUI application. Okay, so game and development, big data technology, hand open, Apache, Kafka, Internet of Things, cloud like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. So these are very important for introduction about it. So I want to give you one suggestion to everyone, that I'm trying how much I am getting at my site, and I'm just giving you very whenever I'm uploading any video and any short. So it is like demand is going on. So in whenever you are preparing for any interview related the job, so it will, at least you have some basic knowledge about the programming language, because C and C++ is a fundamental part of things we generally study in the college and anywhere. But when you go on the development city and the working area, so they generally working properly on the Java and some standard programming language they're using. So you should knowledge about that, how you can get the knowledge at least. So I think there is a lot of things. This is the very basic concept, and we can say this is core Java. So if you are willing to express good things, so you can start a Spring Boot and some technology and make the good project on it if you have proper knowledge. So I want to suggest only this. Thank you.